Today we're at OP. I think it's Thailand's biggest electrical company, and here's the building. This is in there because all the electrics have been fitted to the house, so she's got to register onto the system now. Got a clue about the cost there. So she's got all the documents, the house documents, and I don't know, whatever the documents you need. So beware of the step. Must have had a few people going over on them. This is P. The new paint has arrived, that's the undercoat. And then 2 top coats. So we'll see what colours he's chosen in the future. Also, we're out on Amanda's sister's trike again, and we got our 2 new friends with us. So let me introduce you. Let me introduce you to Tony and Charlie. Come on, Charlie. Come on, Tony. Tony. Charlie. They're not. They're playing with the dogs. Charlie, Tony, come on. So there's Charlie, the ginger. There's Tony. We're taking a left here. So we go left. Tony, go left. Come on, Charlie, keep up. Nearly killed Tony then. So Amanda has me out doing all strange things all the time. And this is collecting wood. Cut here. We'll stop here, yeah? Okay, so we've stopped here. Charlie and Tony are going to check the field out. Let's put this bike into neutral. There we are. And we are chopping trees that probably belong to somebody. You stolen my knife. So what are we after? Okay, so we're after this sort of thing. Okay. Okay, Charlie, Tony, let's go. Let's go. Go on, quick. So there's Charlie and Tony being good boys. I think we're heading for the local bar. Come on, Charlie. Come on, Tony. Here we go. Ignore them. Let's go. Go in. Right. Right.
ตัวนี้คำนึงนะคะตัวนี้คำอลีโทนี่
Tony.
เนี่ยโทนี่
Oh, look behind, look behind. Who's coming? Who's coming? It's Charlie. Well done, Charlie.
เนี่ยจ่ายจะมีคือดำ
Leave the chickens alone.
โกหง
Yeah.
โอ้
That's it. Back in neutral. Let's empty all this wood off. Thanks, Charlie. Thanks,
Tony.
Tony. This little thing came and landed right next to me. Don't know where his parents are. Hopefully they're watching him right now. So the bed has arrived. There's one of the cabinets. Good. Got two little doors on the front, so should be okay if the size is right. It's just hope the termites don't like this wood. That's it, so they've just got to get in the bedroom, put it all together. That's the van empty, so it's up to them now. So we've got the two tables, hope they fit in. Yeah. See what they're doing. It's okay. It's okay, we leave them to it. So it's just getting the stuff to clean. But we'll see if the bedside tables fit in a minute. Should be interesting. Okay, so that doesn't quite fit. It's supposed to go in that little slot there. Amanda's side should fit, hopefully, when we move the bed over. Okay, so that's the bed delivered. 9,000 for the bed and bedside tables. Shopping cab. So we're paid up.
2 3 4 5 6 7 8แล้วพ่อใหญ่ใจมาตรงเอานับ
โอเค
Cop and cab.
ขอบคุณ
เวลาใช้โอจะของทีนี่
ครับ
เดี๋ยวคอยอยู่น้ำอันเยี่ยม101ก็ได้เลข0
Cop and cab. Thank you. So off they go.
ฟรี
What's that?
about food the flower
Oh, food for the flower.
Yes.
What about the kite?
Yeah.
They're going to make kite.
I don't know him
Kite. You take, kite.
I don't
Okay, so that's more or less the bedroom finished. You got bedside cabinet in there, which because of this girder, I'll only be able to open one of the bottom doors on it, but that's okay. Still fits in there nice. This one here, it will fit in this gap here with the bed moved across a little bit, but the electrical has got to be raised up so it's just above this bedpost here, so the bed can come across, I don't know, about 7-8 inches, something like that, up to the bedside table, and that will all fit nice and snugly in here. So yes, that's more or less the bedroom done. Just, I mean, nothing special, just clean and comfortable. Up there we got the power point for the air conditioning, because apparently it gets very hot in the summer. Other than that, so we've got to have the aircon fitted at some stage, and we've also got to get that switch moved above the end of the bedpost so the bedside table fits. At the moment it doesn't. So yeah, room 1 more or less complete.
ก็ได้มายืนเลย
We're getting the coat of this insect repellent and colour
หัวกันไดมันล็อกตีน
on
ไป
the
เลย
outside of the house.
บัวหัวไดบ่หนักเด้เบาข่อยซื้อแบบเบา
อันนั้นก็ขึ้นทั้งเจ้าคนนะ
แล้วแต่
คน
เจ้า
ใดก็ขึ้นทั้งเจ้าตั้งมันต้องขึ้นแค่
5,500 baht. He's going to do all round
sleeping
for that. He's got to do all of this area around the front, all down the sides. He's all got all that bit to get up to up there, all down the side as well, and he's doing the paint of the wood with whatever stuff he's using, I'm not sure. On the wood down here.